How to use Face ID to install apps from App Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable Face ID for apps on App Store. So let us begin. First step is you'll need to head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find Face ID and passcode. After you find it, open it up. Now here you will need to enter your phone's password. So type in your password, and after you do that, you'll get redirected to this page. Now under use Face ID for, that is this section, you'll need to turn on iTunes and App Store. So tap on this and make sure that you toggle it on. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to screen time, and inside screen time, scroll down till you find content and privacy restrictions. After you tap on it, make sure that you turn this on, and after you turn it on, head over to iTunes and App Store purchases and just choose this on don't require. And with that, you have enabled Face ID for App Store, and that is how you do it. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take